Welcome to the info with me DOOGEE X97 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first open the Play Store application, and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So I'll just install this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just open the application and tap enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, you should click on the switcher, tap to OK, once again to OK, and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished. Let's just use the search to see the new keyboard on our device, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as they're all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.